Imagine a world where your phone doesn't just follow your commands. It predicts them. A phone that learns your habits, understands your voice instantly, edits photos automatically, speeds up your workflow, and becomes an intelligent partner in your daily life. Well, the world just became reality. Because Nvidia, the king of artificial intelligence, the company behind the world's fastest AI chips, has officially stepped into the smartphone arena. And trust me, Apple, Samsung, Google, everyone just got a new competitor they were not prepared for. Today, we're breaking down the full story of the Nvidia iPhone. Its groundbreaking features, insane AI performance, futuristic design, release leaks, price expectations, and how it might become the first truly AI-native smartphone. Let's begin. For years, Nvidia ruled GPUs, laptops, data centers, and the entire AI revolution. But there was one battlefield they never entered: smartphones. Until now, this new AI phone isn't just a regular device, it's a strategic strike targeted at Apple's A-series chips, Samsung's Galaxy AI, and Google's Tensor processors. Nvidia is basically saying, if AI is the future, then why should phones be built by companies with old mobile chips? This is where everything changes. Because instead of using a traditional mobile chipset, Nvidia is using something far more powerful. At the center of the Nvidia AI phone is a new processor built on their Blackwell architecture, the same architecture powering next-gen AI supercomputers. Here's what makes it insane. On-device AI 20 faster than Apple's A-series. You can run AI models on the phone, no cloud needed. 50 billion parameters supported offline. That means language models, image models, voice models, all running directly in your hand. Zero latency AI response. You ask, it answers instantly. No internet, no problem. GPU-powered smartphone. Yes, a phone with a tiny, optimized GPU. This is the first time a phone is built around a mini AI supercomputer instead of a traditional CPU. This alone puts Nvidia light years ahead. This phone is not selling itself on camera megapixels or display brightness. Those things are important. But this phone's real weapon is AI capability. Let's look at what it can do. One real-time AI assistant better than Siri, Bixby, Google Assistant. The assistant is built on Nvidia's trained models. It can rewrite emails, summarize meetings, translate conversations in real time, generate images on the fly, edit videos automatically, build custom apps using voice commands. You say, make me a travel plan for Dubai under $500. It actually plans flights, hotels, timings. This is a new generation of AI assistants. To AI camera with autonomous editing. Forget filters. Forget manual editing. You take a photo, gives the phone edits it for you. Removes unwanted objects. Enhances lighting. Sharpens faces. Stabilizes blurry shots. Adjusts background depth. Creates cinematic shots automatically. 3 real-time video enhancement. Shoot a shaky video. AI stabilizes it instantly, no post-processing needed. Low light scenes? It enhances frames individually using neural networks. Vloggers, YouTubers, content creators. This is a dream machine. 4. Voice AI that sounds human. Your phone can speak in any voice you want. It can clone your voice for reminders, alarms, or entire narration scripts. Imagine your AI phone reading your schedule in your own voice. 5. Predictive user interface. This is wild. The phone learns your daily patterns. When you check messages, when you browse social media, when you open maps, when you order food, and it preloads apps before you tap them. This makes the phone feel instant faster than any iPhone or Galaxy. 6. AI security. Face ID. Fingerprint. Password. Outdated. This phone uses behavioral authentication, typing pattern analysis, voice tone recognition, location prediction AI. Nobody can steal your phone. Not even with gloves, masks, or fingerprints. NVIDIA's design language reflects its gaming and AI roots. The look: slim metal frame, a textured back with a futuristic AI circuit pattern, glowing Nvidia green light strip that acts as a notification bar. Display: 6.9-inch QHD+, 144Hz adaptive refresh, ultra-low latency touchscreen, perfect for gamers, perfect for productivity. Camera module: not oversized like recent phones, minimalistic but powered heavily by a cooling system. Even more impressive, Nvidia included a nano-vapor cooling chamber, borrowed from gaming laptops. This means the phone can process huge AI tasks without overheating. This phone is basically a pocket gaming console. It runs ray-traced games. The DLSS Mobile reduces battery drain while boosting FPS. You can stream PC-level games from the cloud with almost no latency. For gamers, this phone beats Samsung, Asus ROG, and Xiaomi gaming phones easily. This is the first true AI GPU hybrid smartphone. Instead of Android alone, Nvidia created a special layer called AIOS. Features: AI-based app management, automatic RAM optimization, model-level customizations, user-trained AI behavior, developer-friendly AI APIs, direct integration with PC GPUs. You can actually connect the phone to your Nvidia-powered laptop or desktop and share. AI resources: this is insane. You ask your phone to generate a 4K animation GIFs. It sends the request to your PC GPU GIFs, brings the result back to your phone automatically. No cables, no syncing, just smart computing. AI phones drain battery fast, but Nvidia solved that. 6,000 mAh high-density AI battery, optimized for GPU tasks. 120W fast wired plus 60 West wireless charging. 0 to 100% in about 20 minutes wired. AI managed battery health, predicts your charging habits to extend battery life up to 4 years. 6G ready modem, yes, future-proof. Wi-Fi 7 extended, satellite communication support. Bluetooth 6, AI-powered signal boosting. This phone is built for the next decade. The phone is expected to launch late 2026 or early 2027, depending on manufacturing progress. Rumored price: base model $1,299, Pro model $1,599, Ultra model $1,899. It's expensive, but you're basically buying a pocket AI supercomputer. Apple and Samsung have spent years optimizing mobile chips, but Nvidia just skipped the entire smartphone evolution and jumped directly into the AI future. This phone isn't competing with iPhone or Galaxy. It's competing with laptops, with tablets, with desktops, with cloud AI. And that's why the industry is panicking. Because once Nvidia brings its AI dominance to smartphones, the world will never look at mobile devices the same way again. So this is NVIDIA's new AI phone, a device powered by the world's strongest AI chips, packed with futuristic features, designed to redefine everything we expect from a smartphone. Is this the phone that will finally break Apple's dominance? Will Samsung be able to compete? Is this the true beginning of the AI phone era? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more future tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.